kids, previously we had gone through the lesson the Ben's Christmas wish. So Ben really wants to be with his father and enjoy his Christmas. Children, do you have such situations? Did you face such situations where you thought that your parents must be with you, your friends must be with you, or some of you whom you like very much? Did you wish to have such things, to have such members along with you? So sometimes we think so. Yes, we miss our parents, we miss our friends when we are there now in Corona. Yes, so we are staying at home. So most of the time staying at home, so we are feeling really bored. So what do we want? We think to go somewhere, to spend the time with our near and dear, to spend the time with our friends, to learn something. So such wishes we have. So from the Ben's lesson, the Ben's Christmas wish, let us see what are the topics, what are the situations, what places he visited, and basing on them, let us compare with our life. So today our aim is to identify and compare places and events. So places, what places Ben visited, even the events happen in the Ben's life. From the story with familiar places and events. So what places and what events matches with our family. Okay. So now if we see the Ben's wish lesson. So in your first page you would have observed the title. So after that you have seen a house. So the situation, where is the situation taking place? What is the setting of that? We know that the setting, coming to the settings, it is Ben's house. So where is it? It is Ben's house. Now do you remember your house by seeing that? Let us compare Ben's house and our house. So we are going to compare the places. So while comparing the places, we had seen Ben's house. So you want to remember your house. How is your house? So do you enjoy with your family? Who lives in your house? So such questions. Previously we had gone with asking questions. So here the questions comes like, who is living with you? Which place it is? Where it is? How are you staying at home? So everything, try to remember the places. Okay, so your place, you and your house, how many rooms are there, where you like, where do you sit most of the time, how much time you enjoy with your parents. So these all comes into our mind. So here we are comparing. Why? Why do we need to compare? Children, we need to compare because by comparing we can understand the standards of our living. Sometimes the comparing with our friends, comparing with the poor people. So our standard of living, even with stories, if we compare, how much better we are when compared with them. So such situations may arise. So comparison comes to for the maybe for modifying ourselves to improve how we are maintaining our circumstances. Are we maintaining neat and hygiene? So in this way, we must think about our house. We want to check the place. So Ben's house, how it is and how is our house. Just a small comparison. Just check it out. So are you trying to maintain properly? Now coming to the next one. So Ben is playing with his father. So what is he doing? They are preparing snowman. Can you see? Snowman and Christmas tree. So what did you do? So did you spend any of your time spending with your, maybe your father or mother, any person. So sometimes father won't be with us and we play most of the time with our mother or even our brothers or sisters. That means with our siblings. Sometimes we spend with our siblings. So see, today we are going to only compare the places and events. So this is the place, the settings which we have written. Now coming to the person. So if we are comparing the person or with the events which are happening. So what event happened in the lesson? So there Ben is spending his time with his father most of the time. So, with whom do you spend your time? With whom do you spend most of the time? So, check it out. Is it with your father? Is it with your mother? Is it with your siblings? How do you spend? So, how do you enjoy? How do you play with them? So, these are the things which you want to remember. Try to recollect how you are spending with your parents. Okay. So, based on this, we want to complete our volume. So, if you remember, if you try to recollect everything, then it will be easy for you to write it. Now, we are spending with your father. How are you enjoying? How do you want? What is your wish? So, these are the things you want to recollect in your mind. By seeing the story, we want to recollect all these things in our mind. How we spend. How do you like to spend with your father? How do you like to spend with your mother? And how do you like to spend with your siblings? Now see, is there any situation when you are thinking to stay with some of your maybe your parent, your relatives, your grandparents, and they were far away, they are going far away. Because here in the lesson, you had found that father is going to Australia. So Ben's father, whose father? Now Ben's father is going to Australia. Did you find a situation where your father left you and went to some other place? So it is an event. Think it is an event which made you sad. Yes, a sad situation. Because here Ben felt very sad because father left to Australia. So father is going away from England to Australia. Now what about you? Did you face such situation, children? Really horrible. Yeah, you want to spend with your parents, with your friends, but they are leaving you. Yes, such situation if you face really will be sad. If you have such type of situation, how do you feel? Such arises here means this thought makes us to recall the things, to recall and find out how we are at that situation. But see, that situations won't remain the same every time. Yes, the situation when you felt sad may not be every time sad. When your father returns back, how happy you will be. Yes, because father is going out on some work. It is very important for your father. But at that time, you want to help your father. You must be happy because father returns back, comes back, and he will play with you afterwards. So when father is going to Australia, so here Ben was sad. But due to some circumstances, he came back again because of the weather. Because the weather is not good. Since the weather is not good, he returned back. Think, if weather is fine, he leaves, then what will be the situation of Ben? Do you think he will be happy? No, I don't think so. Do you think? Yes, Ben won't be happy. Now father returned back, so Ben is happy. But if father won't return back, Ben won't be happy. Yes? So, such situations if comes into your life, how do you face? This is the thing we want to think. So, when such situations comes in your life, children, try to cooperate with your parents, your friends or some other persons because it might help them to do some work. They might be very urgent. They want to go. So, you want to behave properly. You want to mold yourself. You want to behave properly. Ask them to go and come back. Okay. So, such situations when we think over, when comparing with one story, then we try to mold ourselves in such a way. Now, Ben's father returned back because it was snow. So, did you ever go to a place really it is very snow? You can feel the snow, cool, such situations. Did you ever? Yes, sometimes. We might have gone, many of you, didn't you? So, to OOT or some other places where it is too chill. Even in winter we face the situation. It's too cool and you are wearing your sweaters, wool sweaters. Yes, the sweaters are made with wool. You might be wearing them and coming. And really we feel cool. Yes? Yeah, such situations arises. So, in the month of December. When did this all happen? In the month of December. Because of the December month, Ben's father came back without going to Australia. So sometimes because of situations or because of some other circumstances, the things cannot be possible. So in such time, you want to be happy. Really children, here Ben is happy because father had returned back. Now sometimes when you think you really want to go out in the winter season and parents are not allowing you to go out, how do you feel actually? Really we feel sad. But here because of winter season, Ben's father came back and he is really happy in that situation. Okay. Now, so here we are comparing our places with the places of Ben in the story. So events. So such events if occurs, how you must behave. So think such situations which happen to you, to your friends, and how do your friends enjoy and how you are enjoying. Try to recollect all these and you want to complete your volume. Now children, let us move to the volume block 3 yes 2 page number 22. Now children, open your page number 22 in your volume. Okay, are you ready? Now children, open page number 22 in your volume and there are 2 questions. Now see the first question. Look at the picture and write what Ben likes to do. Then draw and write what you like to do. So previously we discussed seeing the picture that Ben likes to play with his father. He likes to make snowman with his father. Now children, just think what you really like to do, maybe with your father, mother or friend, something what you like. So what you like, draw the picture and also write a sentence on that given in the lines. Now see the second question. Look at the picture of Anya's friend and write a sentence about it. Then draw and write about your friend. Now can you see the text? What is Anya doing on dragon? Yes, basing on that you write a sentence and draw a picture really what your friend likes to do. Here Anya likes to spend time with dragon. What does your friend like to do? And what you, maybe you and your friend, just draw a picture and write about your friend. Okay.